This is my very, very best friend's home. It's not a big, elaborate home, it's just a beautiful home that is a home where people that live and enjoy life. She is so sweet, so kind, and her main focus in life is her family and friends. And her home is always inviting as you're walking up the pathway to the front door. You see all the beautiful succulents she has, and then in her corner of her front entryway, all these beautiful Americana pieces she has collected through the years. And this old piece of wood that she loves to showcase. That's what she loves, to share things that mean something to her, not something that she just bought in a store to look fancy. Every piece here means something to her, and she loves sharing her life with us. She is such a wonderful friend, and when you walk in her front door, so welcoming for the 4th of July. Then her entryway table, the same as everything. They really are into the 4th of July. All these pieces she's been collecting for years, and she loves her home and her family, and you feel so welcome when you come in her home. Everything has a meaning to her, and we love coming to her home. Everything means so much, and as you can see, a little touch of the beach scene everywhere. They don't live too far from the beach, so they do love it a lot. They go down there a lot too. And of course, all the American flags all about, and her little gnomes in the background poking around. Oh, I love her beautiful whimsy of her home, and how she puts so much beauty in every little inch of her home. It's not a big home, it's not a fancy home, but it's a home that you feel welcome when you come. Even little pieces like this in the bathroom with a little bit of red, white, and blue is just a wonderful, wonderful home. Firecrackers all over the house as well as the garden. And she loves her little kitties and her beautiful, wonderful 4th of July pillow. Oh, you can always tell when you're at her home. She dresses her house up for every season, and all of her wonderful stuffed animals all ready for the 4th of July. And another one of her pillows. You can tell these pillows have been used a lot and loved, and all the beautiful decor she sprinkles around her home. And of course, the beautiful doilies. And look at her little bear all dressed up for the 4th. And oh, out on the patio, she does the same. She loves the old wood, and she sticks in a little succulent here and there to make it look so beautiful. It's amazing what you can do just by adding a little touch of decor, and you can change it out with the season. There's another one of her beautiful succulents and another American flag. Always enjoy going to her home. I get so many great ideas on decor and on the garden. And she loves those old pieces of wood. She said the older the better. And you can see the wood has cracked now because it's so weathered. But she isn't ready to throw it out. That is her favorite way of decorating. I love it too. And here's one of her old little pieces here, all weathered, but she's keeping on with it, and it still looks great. The little trailer all looking like a little cabin, doesn't it? And her little American flag. And then she just decorates every inch of her garden and her patio with something to do with 4th of July. Isn't it beautiful? I just love the way she decorates. It always makes me feel so good. Nothing fancy, but just the perfect touch of everything. Loved how everything came together for this display. What did you think, my friends? Did you like it or not? You don't have to over-decorate to have something look beautiful. She does everything simple but very pretty, and it always feels like we're at home when we're at her house. love the old chair with the potted plant on top. It always makes you feel wonderful. And seeing the little old pieces of wood in the cracks, it's always so homey and so nice. I love her home. I love her garden. And I love going out in there and enjoying it every time I come. There's always something new coming up and something old. You never know what you're going to find in her garden. But I always enjoy coming and seeing what she has to share. She is such a wonderful gardener and has so many beautiful things to share with us. Oh my, I do love it so. I know you love it too. I like to show her garden off as much as I can when I come. It's always so much fun to see the cute little things that she has found or hidden away for us to enjoy if we just look. They set up the buffet table very nicely too. I hope you enjoyed it also. I didn't put any video up of the actual food. I was having too much fun visiting with old friends. It's always fun coming to their home because it's the same friends every year that we've been seeing for 50 years. It always is great to have friends for a long period of time. You can remember and talk about things that mean a lot to you, that you can remember for the last 50 years. I am so blessed to have so many awesome friends that know how to entertain and keep friends for long periods of time. We haven't changed too much. We've managed to keep our friends close for all these years. My husband was in the military with this great friend, and they've always stayed friends all the years. And they decorate everything so beautiful for every holiday. What do you think?